What is the one thing that these graphics have in common? Well, I didn't spend more than 5 minutes working on any single one of them, and I've got a system that I'm going to show you how to implement today to get the same results. So to get started here, we actually have to go into ChatGPT. It's going to be in conjunction with two different programs, ChatGPT and then Canva. And so there are a lot of times we get inundated with graphics requests over and over again for social media, and we just don't know where to start. Well, this system that I'm about to show you is going to save you so much time. You're going to wonder how you got by without it. So I'm going to show you something that you probably didn't even know existed. So if we go in here to ChatGPT, you can connect your Canva account to it. So all you have to do is go into your personal account settings, and then you can go to apps, and you can actually connect a personal Canva account in here. When you do, then you can have the access to say at Canva and use it in your prompt. So let me show you an example real quick. Let's come up with a men's retreat. Let's try that out. So I just typed in here, hey Canva, I need a graphic for a men's retreat that will be happening March 17th at 6 p.m. The theme is boxing, and I want it to look like an old school boxing vibe. I'm just going to hit go here, and what you're going to see happen is it's going to actually connect directly to Canva. From here, you're going to see a couple different windows. It's actually going to pull up like 4 or 5 different windows. It's going to work on a bunch of different variations of the graphic that you request inside of Canva. And here's where the magic really happens. And just like that, we have 4 graphics that we can start working from in Canva, created with ChatGPT in conjunction with the two of them. And all you have to do is click in here and start looking at them. So this one's okay. You got a cool boxing picture, ring, pretty good template that you can start from. You've got some others, but this one right here actually looks really cool. I like the way that this one looks. There's a couple things that I would like to change on it. So like this, I don't like the angled graphic. So the good thing is you can change all that, and it'll give you some other stuff. Like it'll say, once you pick the one that you like, you can put name, location, all that kind of stuff. But here's where the fun stuff happens. You can actually click on it and hit this button up here that says open in Canva. Now it's going to open it up directly in my Canva dashboard, so I can edit it from here. So let's say that I wanted it to have some of our church's branding. So I can actually go to my brand here. You can see we have our church brand here. I can actually hit this shuffle button, and now we can really start to make it look like our church's graphics. And I think we're actually going to stick with this one because we do have a little bit of red in our church branding. And I'm actually going to take this and rotate it back to the side so it stays here. And like this, all these things are editable assets. You can go in here, add your church's website. I can take this, move it anywhere I want. This here was probably generated through Canva's AI, so there's not some like edited items that you can have here, but it is a good asset. And if you don't like it, you can take it out and put something else in there. And from here, honestly, you have a graphic that you can use right now. You can go in here, hit share, download it, and now you have a graphic for your men's retreat. I'm telling you, this has saved me so many hours during the week. I have requests that come in through a personalized dashboard that I've built, and all I have to do is take the information that was given to me, drop it into ChatGPT at Canva, and it starts generating it for me. And every single time, like I'm not kidding, there's at least one inside of that batch that I'm really into, and I can start building from there and really start making it look like something that our church would develop. Now, tools like this are things that I try to find and discover and implement into my own workflow to see how it's going to work and if it's going to work well. And I'll let you know, I've been using this tool, this system, for at least the past month, and it really has redeemed a lot of my time. So I'm a huge proponent for using this, especially whenever you're just needing to get ideas out there, or you have smaller events like small group requests or pool parties or youth events. These are really good ways to redeem your time so you're not spending hours starting from scratch creating graphics. And here on this channel, that's what we do. We try to find ways to redeem our time so we can get back to what's actually important: being with people, because we believe that we were not designed for pixels, we were designed for people. So if that is something that interests you, I actually have a full Redeem Your Time toolkit. It's got ebooks in there, printable posters, workflows, everything that you need to get started today to redeem your time is in that toolkit. And I promise you, if you just implement one thing, you will immediately start seeing the return on your investment on just downloading that free toolkit. So go hit that link below, get your free toolkit, and if you're wanting to learn more about how I implement this stuff into my daily workflow, you can actually follow this video right here. It's a complete masterclass and inside of my brain on how I got started using all of this in my daily life. And I'll see you guys over in that video.